You've survived all 5,000 videos on PPE and you loved every goddamn second of it. So this is the Stormtrooper chic look that you're going to be sporting at the supply service window. Start your day like this. Put your PPE on first thing when you arrive at your site. You're going to sanitize your hands, put your mask on, then your face shield, and gloves go on last. So you can probably tell that I need to yell at you in order for you to hear me with all this shit on. So when you're working at the service window, lovingly yell at people to please back up to the line on the ground, which is 6 feet away from your window, in order to maintain social distancing. So resist the urge to lean in to hear participants and remind participants not to lean towards you. That's what this is for, the supply service tray. So place all the participants' supplies on the tray, extend your arms out towards the participant, keeping your body back behind the window, and only when they are at the 6 feet line from the window should they come in and take their supplies off the tray. When you take the tray in, clean it with a bleach or alcohol wipe to sanitize between each person. So for removal of all your gear, into the trash, sanitize hands, 20 seconds. That gets cleaned with alcohol. Sanitize again. Now, it's been a long ass day, so get your ass home, keep your mask on for your commute, and don't fucking touch it.